Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to discuss the concept of order of a matrix. Matrices come in different shapes and sizes and we can describe them in terms of their order or dimensions. The order, size or dimension of a matrix, say matrix A, is given as: suppose a matrix A has m rows and n columns, then here, it should be remembered that when we will write the order of a matrix, first we will write number of rows and then number of columns. Some examples. First example, the order of matrix A is 2 by 3 as there are 2 rows and 3 columns. Second example, the order of matrix N is 2 by 2 as there are 2 rows and 2 columns. Now we are going to discuss one important question. In this question, we have to find the possible orders of a matrix when matrix has 16 elements and 7 elements. Suppose a matrix P having m rows and n columns, then order of matrix P will be, and total number of elements in matrix P are mn. Now, the first part of this question. Here, the value of mn is equal to 16 and all possible factors of 16 are, hence all possible orders are, as you can see that the product of each one is 16. Now next part of this question. Here we will find all possible orders as we did in first part. So in this lecture, we discussed the concept of order of a matrix. In the next lecture, we will discuss the general form of a matrix and some important notations which we generally used in matrix theory.